We're here at 3846 East Devonshire, this modern Arcadia-style farmhouse. I'm going to take you inside and give you a fast look. This is a great entry hall. Nice, wide. It's really a neat space. Over here we've got a den office door. Next to that, we've got the door into the laundry room, which leads to other places. Great little powder room over here. I shouldn't say little, it's actually a pretty big powder room. Really intricate floor tiling. Beautiful, beautiful fixtures. And it's actually a pretty big room. The house has beautiful 8-foot high tall doors, which is why we have to hold the camera this way. This opens directly into an absolutely great laundry room. Tons of storage. Upper cabinets, laundry sink, more cabinets. And this door over here leads into the master bedroom closet. So someone can come right from the garage, straight into the master bedroom without disturbing anyone. So, big closet with lots of storage, and it winds around. So there's two parts to it. There's even more here, and it takes us right into the master bath. On the other side, we've got two identical bedrooms. They're both ensuite with a closet. So I'm going to show you one. There we go. Walk-in closet, storage, and a full bathroom with a big, deep soaking tub. We've got a lot of storage on the right-hand side. Coat closet on the left. And as we come around the corner, we see how this is laid out with big high ceilings, great gas fireplace, wood paneling on the walls. That's the master bedroom, separated from everything else. Beautiful windows across the back of the house, great hardwood floors. That dining area over there, the dining room, is surrounded by windows. We'll see more in a second. And this huge island and breakfast bar. Really tall cabinetry, beautiful backsplash, KitchenAid appliances, and long, deep pantry. It's a great space for storage. Let's come back around here. Sharp microwave drawer, glass cabinets, really high cabinets. I have to lean back to take these in. Beautiful KitchenAid range, deep aluminum farm sink. It's a great space. And here's that dining room. And this is fantastic with setting sun in it. The backyard is beautifully maintained. Fantastic retaining walls. There's a hedge that screens you from anything with a beautiful wall behind it that matches the side walls. Nice covered patio. And walking through the great room, we come to what they're using for a bar in the vestibule outside the master suite. And the master suite's very large. It's got a patio exit, wall with space for TV, chest of drawers, wood paneling throughout, and you can see the bed is way over there. Let me pull back here, take a look at the glass slider that goes into the master bath. And once again, the master bath continues our theme of a lot of storage. Double vanities, a little makeup section with drop down top. Separate commode. That's that entrance to the wraparound closet. And once again, a big soaking tub in the master baths to relax in after a long day. And a very large step-in shower.